Hi, welcome back. Our belt with buckle is done. Mark the center point of the belt with chalk. Arrange the silver Dutch snowflakes design on. Please refer to the snowflakes brooch video on the making of snowflakes. Hand stitch all the four corners of the snowflakes on the belt. Ball pin the shoulder pads at the shoulder and hand stitch from the inside. Mark the waist center point and sew a small buckle at the middle. Followed by blind stitch for the overcoat hem. We need to use a fine needle. We continue to blind stitch the sleeve wrist. Place the lace border at the overcoat hem. There is some extra space at the top part. We are going to cut away the extra netting at the top of the lace border. Rearrange the lace at the hem and sew a wide running stitch to secure the lace border in place. That is slightly wider at the top of the lace border. Use the small scissors to cut in between the design net. In order the lace border fit nicely to the overcoat.